Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and help a sister out. And for those of you who are returning, thanks again for all your continued support. Today we're going to be unboxing a pretty large order, in my opinion, that I got from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Very large brown box. I do like it. The only indication that it came from JSC was again the Jeffree Star logo tape all across the box, which I love. I love little things like that that just show you the company really cares about their product. And cracked open the tape. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have in store today. It is again the pink tissue paper. Okay. All right. So first up we have another item that is again wrapped in the tissue paper with the Jeffree Star logo all around it. And while this is ripped on the other side, it does also have this sticker, like their little seal. There's any opportunities to really say like, hey, you got something from me. And it just makes me feel extra special. So with this little tear, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Again with the pink wrap here. So it looks like it was a couple sheets. The Jeffree Star Cosmetics Volume 2 Nudes. And it says open here for nudes. Oh my. Who doesn't love a dirty joke every now and then? And then again, open here for nudes. Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Before we go ahead and open the box, let's see if it says anything on the back about these products. I'm Nude, Birthday Suit, Top Shelf, Christmas Cookie, Nathan, Dominatrix, Family, Jewels, and Tasty. And then it just goes into literally the ingredients here. And it has their social media links, the Instagram and YouTube, and a 12-month lifespan. Let's go ahead and open it up. So again, opening up the lid, it does have the lovely reflective logo, again, all across the top. I love that they don't miss a beat to just advertise their product and advertise their brand. I absolutely love it. When you see that logo, you know exactly who it is. Gorgeous, gorgeous, that's good. They're beautiful, they really are. I'm actually so in love with this shade. I keep seeing it online when they're advertising. This one's Dominatrix. I can't wait to try that on. I think that'd be just so beautiful. Now I want to go ahead and continue opening up the box and see what else we got. We have here, ooh, this one was wrapped in a lovely red tissue paper, again with the seal of approval, but no logo other than the sticker. Go ahead and open it up. Ooh, 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 ooh. Again, it does have the pink bubble wrap all throughout the packaging. It's Valentine Velour, the mini reds and pinks bundle. So again, it's the Jeffree Star Cosmetics, the same size box. We have it's a really soft box. Like, I don't know what finish this is, but this is nice. It's like satin. And then we have the shiny foil logo here. For this one, it says, love me not. This set includes mini velour liquid lipsticks, doll parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood. Now I do already own the Red Rum from the Equality palette, but that's fine because trust me, I use that shade all the time. All right, so let's go ahead and open her up. Ooh, 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 ooh. Can you guys handle it? I don't know. Whoosh. All right, so again, we have the lovely logo pattern all across the top here in the shiny foil writing, all of the pinks and the reds. Doll parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, who I love, by the way, I miss her so much. Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood. Unicorn Blood is very popular as well, I know that, so I'm really curious to give this one a go too. I like the darker, more striking colors if you guys haven't noticed. But I want to go ahead and continue unboxing my order. I'm trying to keep the last one off camera because I'm actually really excited for it. All right, so this one again has, oh, okay, this one's more of like a shiny red tissue paper. It has little like glitter flakes in it, and then it also has the red on red Jeffree Star logo. This logo is harder to see here, especially on the star. The star is very fine line, so it is harder to differentiate, but it is there as well. So you can definitely see the J's all across, but the stars are harder to see. Blood Sugar palette. So that's the first time I've ever actually seen the product on the outside of the wrap. So let's go ahead and bust it open. We have again, the pink bubble wrap. I love that everything from them is color themed. I love a good packaging. All right, so we have a little slip cover here with, again, the Jeffree Star logo. And then again, it has the blood sugar on the side. This one goes directly into ingredients. It doesn't really give you any sort of like long wear, highly pigmented, you know, it doesn't have any product description on the back other than just the ingredients. It does give you the colors. That's about it. So I like it because it is almost like the product speaks for itself. First impressions, I do like that this comes in a sleeve, and I like the fact that you can see the little lock mechanisms here. That's actually why I really wanted this one. I just like the fact that it was a locking component. I think I'm just a sucker for that too. All right, so let's see here. Blood sugar. This one has some weight to it. I didn't realize that this was more like a faux leather outside. I thought it was more like a wood box when I saw it in pictures. So that was surprising, but I do like the faux leather as well. It has a nice feel to it. Gives it just kind of just this little extra. So they're just two little latches, and all right. Oh, look how pretty! Oh my goodness, look how pretty! Look at that. Let's just take a minute and just say, ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. All right. So first thing I noticed, there wasn't a protective seal over, like the little flimsy plastic that they usually put over the eyeshadows, and it looks like some of the colors got onto my mirror here. That is not a reflection. So, and it could just be maybe it was cold. I mean, it's something that's simply gonna come off with a little bit of window cleaner or wipey. I didn't realize how many shades there were. Let's do some math here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3, 18. So we have 18 shades here. One of them is pressed with the Jeffree Star logo, except for the colors here at the bottom prick, which has a little needle here, and then Como, which looks like it has a little, what I call the medical logo, little swirls. Jeffree Star, like the medical logo here at the top. Very cute. But last but not least, this thing I'm so excited for. I need to breathe a second. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so the Jeffree Star Cosmetics line announced that they were going to do tracksuits. I was lucky enough to get my hands on one on launch day. I don't know if it was a mistake or not, but I happened to log in a few minutes early and they were already online ahead of the actual time frame. So I'm not sure if they were updating the website or what have you, but I was able to order one without any issues. There was no issue with processing or checkout. However, there was no, at least from my phone, I was not able to pull up a size chart from my phone. So I went over to their fashion link on their same website, and I used the t-shirts sizing chart because I figured, oh, it'll probably be pretty close. I don't like ordering clothes online because I never really know. So I tend to just order bigger to be safe and then kind of just go from there. So I went ahead and did the same thing here. I ordered a size or two bigger. And then later on, as I was checking my order, I saw that there was actually a size chart for the tracksuits, which again, I wasn't able to pull up as I was ordering it. And I'm really scared because according to online, it's too big for me. And I am so disappointed because at that point they were already sold out. I have been inquiring on Instagram if there was going to be a restock anytime soon. So far, no one has gotten back to me, but I'm sure they'll restock it. I don't recall them saying that this was a limited edition tracksuit, but here we go. So nervous. I got my hands on the pink tracksuit jacket. Now, because I wasn't sure of the sizing, I didn't want to order the pants as well. I'm more interested in the jacket itself to see how it fits, and then I was going to go back and order the pants at a later time. As of right now, they are both currently sold out. Actually, they're sold out in every color. The colors originally available were the pink and white, a black with the pink logo, and I believe red with a white logo, I believe. So it kind of matches the blood sugar palette. All right, but let's go ahead. Please, 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 please fit, please fit, please fit. So, maybe, but don't. No, that's not gonna fit. That's too big for me. Okay, well, let's give it a go and see how it looks. Maybe it looks good on. I don't know. We'll find out right about now, won't we? Okay, so first impressions, yes, it is a bit big. I don't know what it looks like on yet. We're gonna find out. But the tracksuit in and of itself, at least the jacket portion, it is a nice heavy material. It says it's 100% polyester, machine wash cold with light colors, tumble dry on low. It does have a nice lining to it, sort of like felty lining. I feel like there's some definite weight to it here in the bottom seams. And like this ribbon, like it's definitely weighted, like it's not some cheap item, which is good. I like the quality, a quality product, especially for the price point. Okay, yeah, this is, hi, how are you? All right, no, that's too big for me. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I don't want to say I like my clothes to fit because that sounds kind of weird, but I like my jackets, especially my tracksuits, a bit more form-fitting. First off, I do like that the stripes go all the way down. It is a bit big in the arm for me. The sleeve length isn't too bad. It goes right about to my knuckles, so it is a bit long, but it's not too terrible. Plus, I like to roll up my sleeves anyway. I like to push them up about toward my elbows. I absolutely love the collar. I love that the logo goes all the way through the front and the back of this jacket. Now here comes the moment of truth. I just need to stand up and zip it and see what happens. Okay, ready? Okay, so first impressions. The zipper is a nice weight. You can tell it's not a cheap zipper. It's not an afterthought. Sometimes I see little, yeah, this is too big for me. Okay, I wish I can get myself in full view here, but this literally goes down to about halfway down my thighs. It goes well past my butt, and I still have a lot of room here. It does cut my body off in a weird section, again, but I ordered bigger, knowing that I ordered bigger. If I would have known how big the chest area was, which I have a lot of room in here, and I am a very, let's say, top-heavy girl. Yeah, there's a lot of play area here. I would definitely order a size or two smaller. I would definitely have to recheck the site. But again, here's a little close-up of the pattern in and of itself. I like it. I like that it goes all the way around to the back side. Yeah, so it's a little bit longer in length than again I was expecting. But like I said, I don't necessarily like ordering clothes online. I love the way the neck looks when it's all zipped up. It's really pretty. But unfortunately, I will be returning the jacket, sadly. I absolutely love it. I would order it again. The large to be safe, yet large is too big. Looking at their size chart, I should actually fit into a small based on my measurements. But next time, I will probably just order the pants as well and just get the full ensemble because it looks so comfy and it feels so good. But okay, I definitely want to take this off because I don't want to stain it and I do still want to be able to return this. I'm disappointed, I'm sad. And it's through nobody's fault of just, other than just my own. I just took a guess as for the size chart and I guessed wrong. But that's okay, because then once their actual size chart was, or when I was able to pull up their actual size chart, hey, I'm a size smaller, yay! So that's always a fun experience, isn't it? All right, guys. So, oh, there's more stuff in here. Oh my God, box here. Looks like there's either some advertisements or some trial samples, I'm not sure which. And then as well more pink tissue paper, which I'm just gonna put aside. And let's see, and it's just a little promo talking about their Northern Lights Supreme Frost Pro palette. Again, I am not sponsored, I am not endorsed. These are just my honest reviews of products that I've discovered and love. Oddity Beauty, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and while you're there, mosey on over and hit that like button as well. Alright guys, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Mwah.